Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. Once I get an idea in my head, it's like, I've got to do it now. So I haven't even had breakfast yet, it's Monday morning. I've set up my new gardening channel, it's there, and at the moment it has one video on it. That's it. And I'll leave it like that for a while until I add another one. As I said, it's going to be a bit fiddly because I'm reloading videos off this channel, the Orchid channel, onto a new channel. So the video that's there is just an introduction to the channel really, because I have to bear in mind once it exists, people may find it that have never seen me before. They don't know anything about the Orchid channel or the Bonsai channel, they're new in. So obviously in an introduction you've sort of got to introduce what the channel's all about. I mean, you lot know what it's all about, I've told you. Nonetheless, this is the request to go and, there'll be a, I don't know which is easiest actually. I'll put an info card up and I'll put a link in the description and I'll put an end screen, so you've got no excuse. You've got 3 ways to get to the first video on my new channel. Please do so. You helped out an awful lot getting the bonsai channel up and running. If you could do the same for this new gardening channel, I will be over the moon. And if you don't, I know where you live. So please pop over and subscribe, watch the video, let's get some views going. YouTube have changed their requirements to get to the monetization point, although that's not the primary goal. The primary goal is to just, get the videos loaded and get the thing going. But I now need 500 subscribers, not 1,000, so I should get there a bit quicker. And I need 2,000 watch hours instead of 4,000. So that should be easier to achieve. But those numbers start clicking up as from people arriving, hopefully from here, and actually doing as requested. Subscribe, hit the old thumbs up and watch the video, and yeah, it'll be greatly appreciated. What will be interesting is who will be first? Who will be the first one? Now you might be surprised, because when you get there might already be some subscribers that have just found the channel. But who would subscribe to a channel with no videos in it? Duh. This one gets loaded first. But anyway, yeah, all charge over there. Clouds of dust in the distance. Whoosh! Trying to be the first ever subscriber to my new channel. Oh, what fun. Anyway, see you next time. Thanks for dropping by. And it's a big favour to me to get this new channel up and running as soon as we can. Good stuff. Bye for now.